When writing a resume that will get you hired, focus on clarity, relevance, and impact. Start with a strong header that includes your name, contact details, and a professional email address, followed by a compelling summary that highlights your key skills and career achievements in just a few sentences. Tailor your experience section to the job you're applying for by using bullet points to showcase measurable accomplishments rather than just listing responsibilities, and include relevant keywords from the job description to get past applicant tracking systems. Keep your education and certifications concise, only listing what's necessary for the role, and add a skills section that highlights both technical and soft skills that set you apart. Use a clean, professional format with consistent font sizes and spacing, ensuring it's easy to read, and always proofread for grammar and spelling errors. Finally, keep it to one page if you're early in your career or 2 pages if you have extensive experience, and save it as a PDF before submitting to maintain formatting. These small details can make the difference in landing an interview.